A cat is lying in a field of sunflowers, but it's not what you think. In a small village, a cat named Whiskers discovered a magic fish in a pond. The fish told Whiskers that if he let it go, it would grant him 3 wishes. So Whiskers, being a good little cat, let the fish go, and it disappeared into the water. Whiskers then wished for endless fish to eat. The fish granted his wish and swam away. Whiskers was happy, but he also wanted a cozy bed to sleep in. So he wished for that too, and the fish granted it. But after lying in his new bed all day, Whiskers got bored. He wished for a bell that rang softly. And when the fish granted that wish, Whiskers was finally content. He spent the rest of his days purring in the sun and batting at butterflies. And that's why